today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and also please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's video is going to be brought to you by the company Sunber hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. In the box they did include an HD wig cap, and also they included an edge band with the company's logo. This is the unit that I'm going to be showcasing today. This is what it looks like up close. I have not done anything to it. This is their 7x5 Jerry curly lace wig, and this one does come with kinky edges. The lace area looks like, so you could tell they went ahead and pre-bleached the knots. I feel like you can't really see the kinky edges that much like this, but we'll see what it looks like when I put it on my head. This is what the lace area looks like. You also have an area for your removable adjustable band. One comes in the back, and you also get your adjustable straps. I'm not going to put the removable band on yet because I want to see what this is going to fit like. Plus I want to see what it's going to look like on my head, and I need to see if I need to add any tint. I have a feeling that I am going to have to, but we'll see. So I'm just going to tighten up the straps. All right, this is what it is looking like on. The fit on this isn't too bad without the adjustable band. And this is 20 inches. I don't know if I mentioned that. There's something on this hair I need to get off. Definitely gonna have to go in with some tint spray because that is entirely too light. I'm also gonna trim off some excess lace because I personally don't like that much showing. And then as far as the hairline goes, they did pluck out the hairline. The hairline doesn't look bad, and the kinky edges, you can take them or leave them. You can take them or leave them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I don't feel like they're needed. I might hot comb them out and just do like a light little swoop, but I like that they're not heavy and thick. So if you did want to kind of just brush them back into the hair, it won't affect anything. The space area, I feel like they did a good job with bleaching the knots. My cap definitely makes it look scalp-like. Let's get into the side of this. So yeah, you get a good amount of parting space over if you don't like a middle part. I was sitting on my head. You guys know I have a small head, but my ear is not bending back. You guys know I'm going to be using my Tailored Crowns Almond Tint Spray to spray the front of this lace. I don't feel like I need heavy coats of it, but I definitely need something right there just to make it blend in more to my skin. But I'm going to go ahead and get this unit together, okay? It's curly season, and let's see what these curls talking about. the curls on this unit. They are really nice and soft. I also feel like this density is perfect for this upcoming heat, okay? This is not too heavy. It doesn't make me feel like I want to snatch it off immediately because it is too heavy. I tint spray to the very front of the unit, and right here on camera, from what I'm seeing, I feel like it's blended down good. But once I took my pictures in the front, there were definitely areas where I feel like I could have went in a little bit more. Really good job with bleaching the knots in the parting space area, but I feel like they could have did better in the front of the hairline. So I did not notice it at first until I started taking my pictures, and I could see them all clustered up. So I personally feel like I would have to go in and kind of bleach it down a little bit so it's not as noticeable, because to me, they are screaming at you. They are like right there. If you're listening somewhere, maybe go in and re-bleach the knots in the front just a little bit longer so you can't see them as much. I did do a glueless install. I ended up putting a bobby pin on each side. The fit on this is not a problem. It could be a little bit tighter, but I don't have any bunching of the cap, so I'm happy about that. I don't feel like it's going to slip off my head. I did use some of my olive oil mousse at the very front of the hairline, and I tried to brush those kinky edges out of the way. And at first I was like, okay, they're gonna blend in really good. But once I ended up taking off the elastic band, I feel like you could see them even more. So these kinky edges are kinky edges. Sometimes when you kind of move the kinky edges out of the way, or you hot comb them, or you'll add some mousse, they can kind of blend in a little bit more. But these wanted to curl up, and it looks fine. Once I started to play around with it, which I had to play around with it a lot to get it to exactly how I wanted it to be, because I did not want to swoop them, because if you try to swoop them, they curled up, and I just feel like it did not match at all. So I just kind of had to pull some out, play around with it with the edge brush. I ended up going in with a little bit of my lace putty when I was doing that, and now it looks good. I did kind of swoop this over on the side, but you can see how it curled up right here. So it's not going to stay put unless you put more product, and I didn't want to put too much product. I did go in using my Tresemme Flawless Curls. I wanted something really lightweight. Now, as I was adding the water to start to detangle the hair, to me it felt very stiff and dry, especially once I combed everything out. But adding the product in, it definitely helped to define everything and make it just a little bit softer. Keep in mind, I did style this straight out of the box, so I have not washed this unit at all. I'm hoping once I wash the unit, it will get more softer, like it was a coating on it from the process. I added the product in. I was unsure of how it was going to turn out, but I love the way that the ends curled up. I did use a brush to kind of comb through everything. I did this cute little updo just to kind of give you guys a second style option, and I like the way that this looks. It's definitely giving like boho garden type of vibes. Of course, it's not super neat, but you guys understand what I was trying to do. Styling process, I did run across some shedding, and I'm not really noticing any snags right now because I just freshly did it. I haven't worn it all day. But because of this texture, I do expect some snags to happen, especially in the nape area. Definitely a cute option for the summertime. It's nice and lightweight. It's not too heavy at all. And I like the curls on this, but I would definitely make sure to check out the website because they do offer different options. I have a no baby hair option if you are not a fan of the kinky edges. And they also offer this in the 13x4 pre-everything. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling it? If you are, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again. Turn on those notifications, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.